Hello my loves and welcome back. Heading to the beach on a hot day, you can stay cool and still look effortlessly stylish. The secret is choosing the right fabric, the right colors and the right accessories. Start with lightweight breathable fabrics like linen, cotton or lightweight rayon. These materials allow air to move around your body and help you stay comfortable in the heat. Choose loose-fitting pieces rather than anything too tight. A flowy beach dress, a relaxed shorts, a lightweight shirt or a breezy maxi skirt can keep you cool while creating an elegant silhouette. Light colors such as white, cream, beige, soft blue and pastels are perfect for sunny days and give your outfit a fresh and summery feel. Don't forget your swimwear, a stylish cover-up, a linen shirt, a sarong, kimono, a lightweight dress can provide extra coverage while keeping you cool. Accessories are both practical and fashionable. A wide-brimmed hat and oversized sunglasses can help protect you from the sun, while a woven tote gives you, your beach look a beautiful finishing touch. For footwear, choose comfortable sandals or slides that are easy to walk in and won't make your feet feel overheated. The key to looking stylish on a hot beach day is just keeping everything light, breathable, comfortable and simple. Choose the right fabrics, protect yourself from the sun and add a few beautiful accessories and you'll be ready to enjoy your beach day looking effortlessly chic. Thank you so much for watching our today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and I will see you on the next one.